Welcome back to Mo's Black Gold Barbecue. You have a Bronco right here and you come across a problem. And that problem is your gasket. Now, there's a lot of people who don't know how to replace your gasket. It's simple and I'm going to show you. Alright, so this is what your gasket is. Alright, so as you can see, when you look inside, you're going to see these pins right there sticking out. Well, those pins, as you can see right here, I pulled one out already. That is connected to your gasket. So, and there's a hole that lines up where the pins will go in. So, I have one pin right here. So you want to go grab it, you kind of feel where it's at on the gasket, get it kind of close up to the bottom of your lid of the Bronco and just grab it. Sometimes you can pull it out like that, it'll come right out just like that. So you can see there's that little pin. Yeah, it won't focus, but that's pretty much it. You can tell where the hole is at. So whenever you're going to put your new gasket on, you're just going to line it up from each pin to each hole, and then kind of be careful when you get in there, and then it'll snap right in there. Just be careful because you kind of will feel like if it wants to bend. So just not too much pressure and you'll feel it go in. With some other pins, you may need to use two hands, as in case with this one, with this pin. So just get it in the hole, and that's it. Goes right in. So you'll feel where the pins are at. And this one pulled right back out again, and then goes right on again. So I'll go ahead and I'll show y'all again just so y'all can see. Alright, so with this one, you see the pin, see how I'm getting it, see it coming right out, see that hole, get right back in the hole, and just like that, right on the other end, there's the pin. So that's pretty much just it. I mean, there's really nothing to it. It's that pretty much that simple. I mean, yeah. And you'll just follow all around, and I mean, each pin's gonna go in each hole, you know. So that's it on that. I hope this video helped you. As you saw, it's easy to change out your gasket on your Bronco. There's pins that go around your gasket that snap right in the holes that are at the bottom of your lid. Just, you know, kind of be careful if you feel that you're going to be bending a pin when you're sticking it through the hole. You may want to use, you know, two hands, kind of get it in, you know, or fingers to do it. If not, majority of them just kind of go in with just using one hand, a couple of fingers, snap right in. And, you know, that's all to it. But, you know, if you're want to be on the more safe side, just be careful when you're snapping the pins into the holes, because it does kind of feel flimsy, like if they will bend. So just, you know, be careful on that. But other than that, I mean, nothing to it. You know, and you'll get your Bronco back and running, and keeping all that air, you know, that heat and that smoke in your Bronco. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. Well, and I had to stop right there and really hope that it, you know, did this help you, and you know, do some maintenance on your Bronco. So as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Smoke on, everyone.